Hey guys, it's Clark. So what I'm going to be introducing you guys today is my Birchbox. I got my February Birchbox. It's the date night one. Along with that, what I'll be introducing today is I'm going to do basically a little thing incorporating what came in my Birchbox. Not everything entirely. For example, two things that I probably will not be introducing today would be the perfume. Along with that, also the mud mask. There's also a hairspray, which is actually very good. I have tried it before. It's the the Bombshell Blowout Spray by Mika. It's amazing. It leaves great volume in your hair when you do bulge your hair. But because I'm currently gelled up, I'm not going to do that. But what I will be working out today is I'm going to do my entire face. And I will also be incorporating the Illuminator and their lip tar. Okay?
So, you wanna bring your friend with you? Wait, what you say to me? Hey girl, you're my B girl. C girl, I got this D girl. Don't need to spell it out, I make it easy. I have you yelling out, yeah, A, B, C, D. I just wanna L, L, G. I just wanna L, hey, I just wanna L, U. I just wanna L, Get down, down. Get down, down, down. Get down, down, down. Get down, get. You can be my student, give you schooling. Show you how to make it bounce like a bad check. I can be a teacher, I can teach you how to get straight A's, but you really wanna F. You can bite, go fetch. I know it's right, but go left. Living in the night, but we hardly dream. In the club, going Charlie Sheen. Hey girl, you're my B girl. C girl, I got this D girl. Don't need to spell it out, I make it easy. I have you yelling out, yeah, A, B, C, D. I just wanna L, G. I just wanna L, hey, I just wanna L, U. I just wanna L. I got this D girl, don't need to spell it out, I make it easy. I have you yelling out, yeah, A, B, C, D. I just wanna F, G. I just wanna F, hey, I just wanna F, U. I just wanna F.
Now, using the items that came in the Birchbox, or the two items that came in the Birchbox would be the lip tar, which is a matte lip tar.
It's alarming, honestly, how charming she can be. Fooling everyone, telling mom she's having fun. She says you don't wanna be like me. Don't wanna see all the things I've seen. I'm dying. She says you don't wanna get this way. Famous and dumb at an early age.
So, if you're one of those people that do not like lip tar as much as I do, I actually can't, not a big fan of it at all. What you can do is take a paper towel, line it with your bottom lip, and then press both your lips on the towel. Once you do that, it's going to slowly lighten up so it doesn't look so vibrant as it does on me. Okay? Lastly, but not least,
I get my bitch pregnant, I'ma be a better you. Prophecies that I made way back in the veil.
that Illuminator.
Fulfilled. Listen, even back when we was broke, my team ill. Martin Luther King would have been on Dreamville. Talk to her, nigga. One time for my LA sisters, one time for my LA hoes. Lame niggas can't tell the difference. One time for a nigga who knows. Don't save her, she don't wanna be saved. 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 No role models and I'm here right now. No role models to speak of. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one. Last night I was getting my feet rubbed by the baddest bitch. Not Trina, but I swear to God, this bitch will make you call your girl up and tell her, hey, what's good? Sorry, I'm never coming home, I'ma stay for good. Then hang the phone up and proceed to lay the wood. I came fast like 911 in white neighborhoods. Ain't got no shame about it. She think I'm spoiled and I'm rich cause I can't.
Oh, she flagrant.
No, why are you such a snitch?
You look funny.
You be snitching, bro. I can't fuck with you. Why you snitching me out?
You look kind of cute, which is the sad part. Which is the sad?
Hold on, don't end it.
Where's my palette?
Move, don't come in my
I'm not gonna. Y'all look busted.
I'm gonna put that behind the scenes cut.
Oh shit.
How are you gonna edit that?
I have the thing on my app, but I have the app on my phone to edit it. Okay, you're done.